I'm so happy I was able to get my hands on this gorgeous Miku figure from the company Myethos. I think I'm pronouncing it correctly. But man, there is so much detail jam-packed into this figure. She is so gorgeous. All right, let me show you the details of the box because there have been a lot of fakes going around. So just so you guys are safe and you don't end up buying a fake one, this is what the real box looks like. It has like this cute cherry blossom maybe or plum blossom design on the side. And you can also see it on the back. Let me zoom in. And then it has this gorgeous gold writing, and it tells you it's by Myethos, and it has 1/7 scale pre-painted figure presented by Myethos again. Zoom out. And then on the top, if you look, maybe I should face it in this direction so you can get it. All right, it has like the assembly manual in it, and it has Hatsune Miku written again on the top. You get the Myethos card. And again, more of the detailings on the side. But yeah, this is what it's supposed to look like, guys. So if your box does not look like this, unfortunately, you probably have purchased a fake. And definitely if you see it for really cheap, if you see this figure for under like, I would say 20,000 yen, is probably a fake, because right now this figure is going on Japan's Mercari for like 3 mon plus, so 30,000 yen plus, which is like $280 or more USD. All right, so let's start this unboxing. I'm gonna cut the seal on the top. We have the assembly manual. It's pretty much not much to assemble. So it's these two pieces, basically, the components, this whole figure and her hand piece. So like literally it says paste the main body as shown, and then remove the left hand and attach the replacement parts as shown. Okay. You can do this. This is simple. All right, so I'm going to pull her out of the box. Oh, I almost forgot to get the card out. We also have Myethos card. Myethos card. This is a Hong Kong-based company, I believe. Yeah. Very nice. Okay. Yeah, we got Miku out. Show you her face. Her face is so pretty. Like, her eyes look like they have like a glossy effect or a glassy effect, whatever you want to call it. Like, basically her eyes are like shining. They're little pearls. Like, I don't know how they did this, but this looks really cute. Alright, let me take this. Okay. Ooh, she looks even better once we get the front plastic off. Wow. So cute. The details on the flowers are really nice too. Okay. I'm gonna pull this paper piece off the top. Oh, I don't like the way it's brushing this leaf right here. Hold these a bit while I take it off. Okay. And we're gonna take this off right here. Take this piece off the bottom. These here. Ooh. Gonna scare me. Ooh, this is so delicate. Ooh. Take the plastic off the base. It's not a cute sound. I'm sorry, guys. We have the last paper under her foot. Yeah, this is how the base looks. I really like the details they have on the wood here. I like these details they have on her fingernails too. She got her fingernails did. I'm afraid to take this one last plastic piece off. Ooh, I'm kind of scared. Hold on, I'm gonna like set her down real quick. Oh. Spin her around. She even has some plastic here. Okay. This last piece, I'm trying to slide it out of here. Okay. And we got all the plastic. Let me move all this out of the way. Oh, let me take her hand out. Can't forget this piece. Okay. Yes. I'm gonna put these on the floor. Alright. So we have this hand with like, I'm not even sure what this would even be called. Is this supposed to be a fan? I don't know, but we're gonna take I'm gonna put this hand on her, but we're gonna take this one off. This is just how her hand looks without, I'm pretty sure it's the same design. The hand holding the fan and the hand she has on. Yeah, it's pretty much the same design. So like, it's just for your preference, whatever you prefer, like her holding this little fan thing or not holding anything. I'm gonna put the fan on. Let me see if I can get her hand off. Oh, it came off pretty easily. Okay, no struggle. Ooh. Show you her little hand. Okay, and this is the hand we're about to put on her. Okay. We have the hand on her. But guys, do you see this detail of this figure? Like, I cannot stress. This figure is gorgeous. It might have become my favorite figure in my collection. And that is high praise coming from me because I'm very picky about the figures I buy. Even once I buy them, sometimes they displease me. But all her details are so great, down to the little ribbons on her shoes. Like, wow. The flowers too. Like, that flower's actually kind of like soft. I'm like scared. I hope I did not break that. I just love the way her like hair just like laid out all over this bench. And they even did a good design on like the flower pot. Like, I like the little glossy effect it has here as well. And these actually look like real flowers. They did a hella good job. Hella. I'm so happy. Holding her clunky. I'll put her on my little rotating table thing later. But wow. All right, let me put her on the rotating table. Hey guys, thanks for watching. This is the end of my video, but if you would like to see more pictures of Miku or my other figures, please check out my Instagram. And don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on your notifications. I upload a new video every Saturday and sometimes on Wednesdays, so please check that out. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. My goal is 100 subscribers by April. Thank you. Bye. Hey guys, I have a special announcement. For those who've made it this far, you're loyal, so I will give you a special tip. If you're interested in this figure, you can actually get it for under 30,000 yen if you buy on Amazon Japan right now from a seller called Kani Hobby. The name is spelled Kani and then Hobby, Hobby. This is actually where I purchased my figure because I found him randomly while I was searching through Amazon because I saw this Myethos figure and I had to have it. So hope this helps. Bye!